Alright, my bad, guys. I was busy doing a trade here. Alright, let's jump right into it. And sun is in my face, so gonna do this for a sec. Alright, so MRDB currently have my order in here for 37. It looks like it's resisting 37 here. It did hit 38, and now it's back down to 36. So hopefully it doesn't tank, but not looking too good. But yeah, I want to get in 37 here. Is there any news on MRDB? Are we live? Hold up. Okay, we are live. Let me adjust this real quick. All right, cool. So MRDB, yeah, it's already going down. Hopefully I didn't miss it. Literally had a 1 minute window to get in this one. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, it's down at 34. I don't know. Not looking too good. So, hopefully it turns around. Maybe a bull flag, but yeah. MRDB, anything else? And there's also, excuse me, there's also AEON, but that's just a very wide bid ask there. That's a little, I don't really count that. The bid is 5 and the ask is 10. So, little deceiving there. Alright, so yeah, as of right now, only thing going is MRDB, and it's already pulling back, unfortunately. I may have missed that a minute too late. That's kind of unfortunate. Again, hopefully it bounces back and comes back to 37, but looks like it's selling off some big red candles here. So, see what happens, but anything else? I don't think so. Yeah, nothing's really going here. Pretty slow, just MRDB. And that's already down to 34. So, welcome back to this. All right. Cool. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. All right, cool. So today is Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Speculation. Today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. That is because it is a neutral day. Dow Jones in the green, NASDAQ red, SPY in the green. So at first glance, it looks like a slightly bullish day. We'll see, though. So yeah, we're going with the stock exchange today. I'm in the green here. Let me double check. Huh, interesting. So I thought I gave some back, but apparently not. Oh, I see why. Yeah, MINM is pulling back here. That's why. And I did get filled on some stuff. Interesting. What up, Koya? Any plays? MRDB. That's it. MRDB. Currently pushing 36. I'm trying to short that at 37. That's it for right now. Yeah, MRDB. So the ask is at 36. So hopefully that pushes up a little bit more. And I think that's the fill. Yeah. All right. I just got filled there. Cool. So let's look at the chart. And I think it's running out of shares, but let's refresh first of all. Yeah, so it's still just MRDB. So minor action, but wide bid asks on some other stocks. Anyway, so yeah, looks like shares are going down. Not many left. It's at 40 now. That's kind of scary. So it bull flagged here and broke out, but all right, we're in here for 37. And I'm going to cover at 28. All right, order in. So looks like it's pulling back a little here. Hopefully not another bull flag. But yeah, we're in here at 37 and trying to cover at 28. And let me check out some other stuff real quick. So I got filled partially on MDVL. Got filled at 330 here. Partially. And then AEY. Also partial fill there. Man, this was a crazy stock. Came all the way back down. All right. Cool. And still trying to short NVIV. TENX already pulled back. Yeah, a lot of action today. I don't know about you guys, but made a lot of plays and printed some pretty fat tendies. All right. All right, people coming in now. What up, Ken? What up, Mark? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone as always. Stay away, you say? Stay away from what? Which stock? Thank you, Mark. Yes, if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, let's check some stuff out here. So, SONO. Sono. What's going on here? Earnings. Should we go for it? All right, so we're down like 10% on MRDB already. It's up to 42 now. That's not that good. Let's check this one out real quick. All right, not going to go for it. Too many shares. But MRDB is, yeah, going the wrong way. Not good. So we're down over $500 there already. Go. Hopefully that's not another bull flag and it comes down here and does a head and shoulders or something. All right, you said it looks cold. Mark says it looks cold. Yeah, it's real cold in here. My new place. Well, it's not that new, but yeah, I switched studios, and but the sun is in my face. That's why I'm wearing the shades. So, yeah, looks kind of ridiculous, right? With the hat and the shades. I'm not wearing it to look cool. It's actually sun in my face here. I'll probably take it off in a couple of minutes. But yeah, it's pretty cold in here. Pretty cold in here. Snap is getting wrecked on earnings, down 20%. All right, let's take a look at that. Damn. Are there shares in MRDB, Ty? I don't think so. No. But it's coming down. I don't want to jinx it. But no, there's no more shares. Keep your order in though, because there were shares like a couple minutes ago. Ran out pretty fast. You got to be fast with these things, you know. All right, let's look at Snap, and I think there were a few earnings today, a few significant earnings. Damn, yeah, wow. So it went from 19 to 18, or excuse me, 13. 19 to 13. Wow. Bro, how's 160K shares gone in a minute? I don't know, dude. Algos, Rainbow Bears, stuff is competitive. But if you keep the order in, you should get filled because there were just a bunch of shares not too long ago. But yeah, starting to come down now, down to 38. So hopefully you can get in there. Down 25% now. Yeah, it's getting wrecked. All right, so yeah, I didn't know Snap would had earnings today. I know a bunch of other companies did. Yeah, this is earnings season, but Snap is low key a meme stock. I remember being in this when it was like $60 or something like that. Look at this. It went from like $8 to 18. So actually, it's still gonna be above where it was not too long ago. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. Good for trading, but wouldn't really buy and hold this one. All right, MRDB is pushing 37 now. Let's do another scan and then get back to the intro. All right, so what is this? Yeah, we are getting action on some stuff here. So there's DMK that was running earlier today. Don't think we're gonna go for this. No, not gonna go for DMK. And I just saw something else. All right, MRDB is pulling back now. Very nice. But I just saw something else and I missed it. Where'd it go? All right, never mind. Anyway, MRDB is pulling back now. So, yeah. So this looks like a rejected bull flag. Head and shoulders forming, hopefully. Looks like the head and shoulders is about to form here. And that's a bearish indicator. Don't want to jinx it. Every time I, say something, I jinx myself. But looks like a head and shoulders about to develop here. And that's a bearish indicator. So, cool. Currently up almost $200 there. Think I'm going to cover TENX here. They gave me 11 shares today. So, yeah, I'll just cover that real quick. Alright, so yeah. Kind of sucks I couldn't get filled for TENX today. Still trying NVIV. And partially filled on AEY and MDVL. You know what? We'll get to this anyway. Why am I saying this now? Alright, Mark has some numbers for us. So it looks like the head and shoulders is... Get off. Looks like the head and shoulders is starting to form here now. Hopefully. And it's not a, bull flag. Snap high was $83. Yeah, I remember trading that back when it was like around 60. So, and from what I understand, it was not a great company a couple of years ago, but it's starting to turn things around, and it's actually pretty kind of legit now. Gonna lay off 10% of staff. So they missed the revenue. So they met revenue and they missed EPS. All right. So why exactly is it tanking so hard? Doesn't really justify that. That's how it goes, huh? All right. Anyway, so let's do a scan and get back to the intro. We're already it's 4:20, guys. Make a wish. So let's do one quick refresh. Yeah, DMK is starting to moon there. All right, so excuse me. Yeah, only stock really worth going for is MRDB as of right now. So we'll come back to this. Ford is pumping. Ford. Up 7% post-market. I believe they had earnings. That's why Ford is pumping. So congrats to the boomers there. All right. Cool. So let's do this real quick, the intro. Yeah, so appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button. So, yeah, Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. Doing the show from the stock exchange today because it's a pretty neutral day, slightly bullish. Two major indexes in the green here, one in the red. And I don't have too much content for today, not much going on. But so far, quite a bit happening trading-wise. In the regular market, and already picked up one play here post-market. So yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today, quite a bit to get to there. Excited for that. I think we have one article. Already forgot what it's about. Hold on a sec. But we do have one article today. Oh, it's about Palantir. Yeah, so that's already doesn't really count. But yeah, as you see in the title, we're gonna do TA on Palantir today. That is the major runner. Apes love that stock, and earnings season had great earnings, and it was pumping today. We did see that post market yesterday. So congrats to the apes there. We're gonna analyze Palantir. And then anything else you guys want me to look at, put it in the chat. And then we will finish up with our YOLOs. And quick note, you got to give me like a minute or two to sift through the YOLOs when we get to that part, because kind of ran out of time getting set up for the show here. Anyway, so yeah, should be pretty, I'm not going to say short and chill, but chill show today. Already 23 minutes in. All right, let's go. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. Still got to get used to saying that. All right, sun is not right in my face anymore, so put the shades away. Whirler says, "You've heard Monero crypto have a huge crash today?" No, I didn't, and didn't see that, but I guess we'll look at that in a second here. Snap said it would shift more of its focus this year to growing the user base and invest in markets. It's interesting. I don't really see why it's tanking so hard. The news isn't that bad. It's not doesn't sound bad. But they did cut their workforce, but not because they're struggling. Doesn't seem like. So yeah, that's interesting. Not really sure why it is tanking that hard, but like I said, it is low key a meme stock. It's gonna grow to 420 million. It has to be a meme, right? Monero's tanking hard today. All right, we'll get to that when we do crypto. ZJYLNC UCAR chart, please, if you have time. Sure, we'll get to those. Familiar with ZJYL and UCAR, not really sure what NYCB is. Does seem like a little bit of an overreaction. Yeah, it does, but then if you just look at Snap historically, like I said, I've been like trading that, watching that for a couple of years now. It's not really out of the ordinary. So, but yeah, that is a crazy stock. All right, let's see here. So let's do one more refresh and then get on with the show. Get to my plays. All right, so MRDB chilling at 38. Yeah, still nothing really else going here. New York City community, didn't that crash? I think I saw some news on that today. All right, we'll look at that. All right, cool. So yeah, nothing to go for. We'll come back to this. Just MRDB. Let's get to my plays here. And after the show, I do plan on, if you guys didn't hear me yesterday at the end of the show, I think I'm going to start doing shorts now. Because the vlogs take a long time just to edit. So I'm going to start doing, shorts 1 minute and less, just about my plays for the day. So hopefully I can get 2 out today. 1 for yesterday and 1 for today. Anyway, give me a second here. Let's let me adjust the watch list. All right, let's do it. BCEL up 125. MINM up 1335. So yeah, still holding the bag, but made a lot back there. Major gainer. GRRR up 160. YTEN down 110. EQ up 45. WNW up 25. Might cut those for break even. We'll see tomorrow. XCUR up 11.55. And I'm trying to cover that at 61, currently at 64. Hopefully tomorrow. HSDT made about 1,000 there. AGFY, think like 800. BRTX, that one I'm a little mad about because it had an offering and it's down 55% today, down to 155 here, and I covered at 220 for break even, and it went way down. So, but just glad I broke even there. GSI broke even there as well, a couple $100, and then picked up some stuff here. Power Hour and Post Market, AEY partial fill. Currently up 180. MDVL up 65, and MRDB, you guys saw me short that live, up 70. All right, so today, really good day. I'm up almost 6K on the day. Give or take here, we'll just call it 6K, over 5K, almost 6. So, massive day here, let's go. Yeah, pretty busy. Dumped a lot of bags, and didn't take any losses. Yeah, so just pretty much everything went right today. Yeah, my biggest loss was YTEN. That was 300. So really good day for me, and not over yet. All right, give me a second. Let me adjust this. All right, looks like we're getting some action here. What happened to the scanner? All right, so STSS starting to move here. Let's put in an order for 47. It's currently at 38, pushing pushing 39. So may not get there, but very well could. So let's do that. All right, order in for 47. That's the ask is at 39. So hopefully that's a bull flag and it breaks out there. But yeah, STSS, keep an eye on that. Starting to move here, post market. Anything else? Let's add this one. All right. Again, NVIV is still going up post market here. Interesting. All right, so yeah, still just MRDB, and keep an eye on STSS. Other than that, pretty slow post-market. All right, cool. Let's get to the watch list. All right, we'll start on the red side. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 0.37%. SPY up 2.9%. And NASDAQ down 0.23%. So overall, looks like a slightly bullish day. VIX is down 4.46%, 0.61 points, so we're at 13.06 VIX now, which is very stable. Market is still overall very bullish. Let's check out the watch list here. We'll start on the red side. DWAC is pulling back 4.4%. AMD 3.7%. Netflix 1.1%. Meta 1%. Not too much here. Bunch of financials. Discover, Wells Fargo, Schwab. Amazon's down 0.7%. So mostly value. Well, some value in the red here, but really not by much. Yeah, Costco, Microsoft, Intel, IBM. So not much in the red here. And the stuff that is in the red really didn't move. And yeah, green side up there, number one is Palantir, up 31% today. And we will analyze that. AMC going 11%. Ford, really good earnings. Ford's up quite a bit here. Up 70 cents post-market on earnings. Not going to check it out, but congrats to boomers there and the apes who did YOLOs on that. Yeah, so most of the stocks in the green, growth and value. Got Pfizer, Starbucks, eBay, Nike, Disney. So good mix of both and pretty good price action. So yeah, the indexes would suggest a slightly bullish day. And based on the individual stocks here, looks pretty bullish. So yeah, slightly bullish the bullish day, I'll say. All right, cool. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. Should I refresh here? Oh no, MRDB going the other way now. All right, let's refresh and get on to crypto and the news. Okay. One sec. Let's pull up crypto and the news. Well, the news is Palantir, so we'll jump right into the TA after we do crypto. So really no news, but we do have an article on Palantir. All right, let's do it. So crypto's up 1.97% today, almost 2%. Let's check it out. Looks pretty good so far. Bitcoin up 2%, Ether 4.3%, Binance 0.9%, Solana 2.2%. So a lot of value in the green here. Not anything too crazy though. Got Avalanche down 0.7%, Chainlink down 2.5%. Let's sort this out. So on the red side, probably about 20% of the coins in the red, biggest loser. Yeah, there it is. Monero down 35%. Is there a reason why? That's pretty interesting. Yeah, ouch. Go. So definitely pulling down the market there. And green side dimension up 45%. Wow. But yeah, pretty much all the coins in the green. Good amount of price action and most of the value in the green. So yeah, overall bullish day in crypto. So yeah, I would say bullish day stock market, bullish day crypto. Well, slightly bullish to bullish day stock market, bullish day crypto. So yeah, hope you guys made some attendees today. Pretty hard not to. Plenty to go around. Bulls, apes, boomers, bears, plenty to eat today. So congrats everyone. Huh. So I was up 6K. Now I'm only up 5K. I mean, I'm not complaining too much, but guess I'm actually down post market here. Heard New York City will giving you prepaid card for your food. Not me. Only the migrants. Binance delisting private coins. That would make sense. So is Litecoin going next? Aren't they kind of private now? All right. Let's transition into the TA. So, breaking news. ESPN, Fox, and Warner Bros. Discovery to launch a joint sports streaming platform this year. That's pretty big. Because I know there's ESPN Plus, and now, streaming is getting into sports. Like, Netflix just got WWE, and Amazon's doing NFL, and baseball's on all of them now, so yeah, it's a pretty big deal. Wow. ESPN, Fox, and Warner Bros. Discovery to launch joint sports streaming platform. Huh. Okay, we'll see how that goes. But that's pretty big news. All right, so let's get to Palantir. So yeah, good earnings. Palantir shares rocket 30% after revenue beat, strong demand for AI. Shares of Palantir popped Tuesday, a day after the company released fourth quarter earnings that detailed strong demand for its AI offerings. Palantir said revenue in the quarter increased 20% to $609 million, up from the $602 million expected by Wall Street. In a letter to shareholders, CEO Alex Karp said demand for large language models in the U.S. continues to be unrelenting. All right, cool. So yeah, good earnings, and the apes love Palantir. It's been down for a little bit, for a couple of years, but it looks like it's coming back. So let's get to the TA now. All right, so let's do this. No more talk about Kroger guy. Okay? Cool. Let's do a refresh. All right, looks like so VLCN kind of low float, but that's starting to get some action there. So we'll continue to watch that closely. I should put it in order just in case right now. Yeah, let's do that. And got some action on AUUD. We'll watch that one as well. All right, let's put in an order for VLCN. Oops. All right, we'll put in an order for 489. So quite a ways to go from here. There's already no shares. That's interesting. All right, so we'll just watch it. STSS already looks done. That sucks. All right, let's do some TA. Let's start with Palantir. All right, Palantir. So yeah, wow. Yearly high. All the way from $7 to 22. So 3x on Palantir this year. Amazing. All right, let's analyze. So 75 RSI. So this is overbought and overvalued. Bearish. Gap up at 18. So that's bearish. That's saying this might come back down to 18. Another gap up back at 15. So might come back down to 15. There's a lot of gap ups actually. So I think 18 and 15 are realistic. There's another one back at 10.30. Probably not going to come back down there. Another one back at 8. Probably not going to come back down there. So, but yeah, quadruple gap down. That's those are bearish indicators. Again, I think 18 and 15 might happen. Not so much 10 and 8. And this could be a cup and handle / double top forming here, so that's also bearish in the short term at least. So yeah, congrats to you apes. Great earnings. Probably a good buy and hold. So if you want to do that, go ahead. But if you want to trade this, I do expect a short-term pullback. Again, down to 18, maybe 15. So not a bad idea to sell here. Personally, I probably wouldn't short this. This is one of the more legit growth / meme stocks. But yeah, wouldn't be afraid to sell here and rebuy at 18 and 15. And if it really comes to it, 10 and 8. But yeah, looks short-term bearish and long-term bullish, I'll say. So you can either buy and hold or try to, sell here, trade this, sell here, and pick more back up at a cheaper price. All right, cool. So there's that. And yeah, congrats to you, Palantir apes. Let's do these TAs. ZJ. All right, this one, moment of truth. It looks more bullish than bearish, but yeah, consolidation happening here. Moment of truth. Looks like it's going to consolidate around 250-ish. And then from there, it's going to be some big movement, either moon or tank. So, yeah, probably a couple more days of sideways trading, consolidation. And then you're going to be some big movement, either to the upside or the downside. I don't know. But expect some big movement. Hopefully to the upside, if that's what you're in long. Mark. NYCB. Alright, so I did see some news that this crashed today. Not sure why, but don't really care. We're just gonna TA this. Yeah, it's at 420. Nice. So RSI at 15 right now, yearly low. Yeah, extremely oversold, undervalued, and multiple gap downs, it looks like. 10, 50, 11, like 13, so maybe don't buy it just yet, because it still is a falling knife, but looks like a pretty good buying opportunity here. I don't know about the long term. This is pretty rough, but it does look like a buying opportunity for at least a scalp. You know, a swing trade / scalp on the long side, and maybe a buy and hold. Although not gonna go that far. But yeah, looks like a pretty good long here coming up for a swing trade. I'll say that. Again, maybe not just yet because falling knife, but pretty soon. All right, next one. UCAR. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please, and thank you. All right, this one isn't that crazy, but yeah, 15 RSI. So this is oversold, undervalued. So I guess at some point it's gonna have to reverse, right? But just keeps on selling off. That's pretty rough. Big sell-offs, and then it's like just bleeding, bleeding, bleeding. So careful with this one, but based on the TA, this is extremely oversold and undervalued. And, you know, just be careful because nobody truly knows where the bottom is. I'd probably avoid this one. You know, this one's a little deceiving. TA looks good, but this may just be like one of those never-ending dilution plays. Dilution and go up plays. Dilution and then it tanks and then, you know, repeat the process. So TA does look very bullish in the short term, but it is still a gamble. Gamble at your own risk. I'd probably avoid this one. Cool. All right, what time is it? 4:52. So let's do another scan and finish up with our YOLOs here. So we were falling a little bit behind, but caught up on time here. MRDB is down at 35. Very nice. VLCN starting to move. A lot of large cap stuff is moving here. But yeah, still really just MRDB as of right now. Can we short DWAC? Let's take a look. Yeah, dude. Just be careful because we all know how this ends. Question is, how high is it gonna go? How high is it gonna squeeze before that happens, right? So don't underestimate these you know, mega ape people. Okay. So I've made my fair share of gains and losses here. I think I'm overall in the red though. All right. Cool. So Koya, I would I'd probably just stay away from it, to be honest. Don't need to concern yourself with something kind of sketchy like that. You know, just trade where the action is, I will say. All right. Give me a second here. I actually need to add some YOLOs to my folder here. Shouldn't take too long. Just give me a minute. A lot of red, huh? All right, cool. Now let me pull it up. So we got 5 YOLOs today. Not too many, actually. Thought there would be more from the Palantir apes. But I guess that's more on StockTwits, not so much Reddit. I'm just afraid as soon as I short, it starts mooning. Yeah, for you, dude. I'd probably just avoid it, to be honest. Not that it's a bad play, but opportunity cost. It's probably better just to trade the other stuff in the market, momentum wise, than concern yourself with that. How many shares did I get filled for? AEY, 4,700, and I'm still not fully filled. Still trying to get another 3K about. The company said they are delisting from NASDAQ February 13th, and Ape started buying it. Yeah, it makes sense, right? It makes sense when it's a little counterintuitive, but sometimes it does make sense when only in the instance that that the company's assets are worth more than the stock price at the time of bankruptcy or whatever struggle they're going through. That's when it is appropriate to actually buy a company going under. But it doesn't happen too much. You got 4,700 shares? Yeah, trying to get 3,000 more, dude. Been trying all day. I was down quite a bit there earlier when it was at like $1 something. But yeah, it's currently sitting at 57, which is exactly where I have my order in for. If it goes below this, I'm not trying to get any more. All right, so VLCN is starting to move up here. Very interesting. No one is buying the company. They just released a statement. Yeah, I don't know, dude. This stuff is weird. I just short. No idea why it's mooning, but not complaining, not going to ask questions. All right, let's do it. So 5 YOLOs today shouldn't take too long. Mostly lost corn. Let's do it. First one by Dr. Connors. Update on my SoFi YOLO. So I didn't see the original, but oh, this is a leaps for January 2026. $10 SoFi call. Oh, I think he sold. It says negative 100. I think that's what he did. Yeah, I think this is a covered call. It says negative 100 SoFi 26 at 10. So, I don't know if that's just what the app says. Anyways, down 33K on this SoFi call. $10. 2 years to go, so, you know, shouldn't panic just yet. But yeah, got 33K. Um, that's pretty rough. Go. So I hope that turns around for you. So I do like the idea of the leaps, but yeah, this goes to show. Sometimes even that goes wrong, and you shouldn't put so many eggs in one basket. So yeah, 33K lost corn on SoFi. Go. Looking to get out at 48. I don't know. Probably like 45-ish, 44, 45. That's off the top of my head. Just did some quick math, but probably somewhere in the mid 40s I'll get out. All right, next one. You know what? Let's stay on the red. Next one by Beautiful Raccoon 221. Lost corn. All right, so doesn't exactly say what the YOLO is, but AMD FDs for sure. Down 25K. And it's gone, 100%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, so, that's why you don't all in. All you had to do was buy AMD shares, bro. Yeah, not sure what he did, but 25K lost corn. Good and well deserved. Went all in, didn't pay off. Next one by Captain Noob Boy, minus 14,000 today. Only 78% done till I hit my goal of $0. Guess calls went a move midday. Well, see, he says not doing 0-day expirations. I could have told you that. So yeah, not sure what he did, but down 14K today, 78%. Same thing, bad risk management. If it didn't happen today, it's gonna happen in the future. Man, don't you love that chart? Alright, next one by Shekel Bets. Is he Jewish? So this is stock. But Ethereum, BlackBerry, GME, GOEV, Palantir. So Palantir is actually up. If it wasn't for that, he'd probably still be... He's still down overall, though. That's hilarious. But Palantir is actually up a lot. Today, Riot and SPRU. Down on all of them. Especially Ethereum. That used to be a meme stock. Wow, he's down 135K on GME. Go. 17K on Palantir and 16K on SPRU. So almost 200K total, minus 62%. And again, those are shares, so that's impressive. So yeah, all in memes. Ethereum, BlackBerry, GME, Palantir, all that good stuff. Alright, and last one by Delusions. Tesla YOLO update plus 32K gain in a day. So stop limit triggered. Stop loss triggered. Yeah, we'll just take his word for it. It's the ugly Robinhood screenshot. But, 2-9, so yeah, FD expires Friday. 177.5. So yeah, just traded Tesla FDs here, cashed out. Very risky. Glad it worked out, dude. Glad you sold. Congratulations. All right, cool. And oops. And with that, that is pretty much the show for today. Let's do another scan. So it's now 5:05. Went a little over an hour. Nice. So yeah, MRDB still holding up at 36. Everything else, not really worth it. But do keep an eye on VLCN and probably AUUD as well. All right. So yeah, hopefully MRDB pulls back here in the post market. And if anything else happens, I will let you guys know. Okay, and that's all I got for today. So appreciate everyone. That's the show for today. Went a little over an hour. And yeah, not too much content to cover. We did pick up one play here. And yeah, just mostly chilling. Decent TA. Good amount of live trading here. We only picked up one play, but a lot of action. And pretty good YOLOs. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, if anything else happens, I will put it on Discord. And if not, I catch you guys back here tomorrow. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm wearing like a Jeep tank. So it looks like I don't have a shirt on, but that's funny. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. Oh, my bad. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Speculation. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.